Fabric cutting machines in garment manufacturing can be broadly categorized into manual, semi-automatic, and automatic or computerized types. Here's a more detailed look at some of the common types. 1. Manual cutting. Scissors. While not a machine, scissors are still used for intricate cutting and small-scale work. Rotary cutters. Handheld tools with a circular blade for straight line and simple shape cutting, popular among quilters. Two. Semi-automatic cutting. Straight knife cutting machine. Operates with a stationary or reciprocating blade, suitable for straight lines and some curves. Round knife cutting machine. Uses a rotating blade to cut fabric, ideal for circular or curved shapes. Band knife cutters. These machines employ a long, narrow blade to cut through fabric, suitable for intricate and precise cuts. Die cutting machines. These machines use dies to cut specific shapes or patterns out of fabric, often used for creating patterns or samples. Notcher cutting machine. Used to create notches on fabric edges for better alignment during sewing. Drill cutting machine. Primarily used for creating holes in fabric. Automatic or computerized machine. CNC fabric cutting machines automate the entire cutting process, allowing for precise, high-speed cutting of various fabric types and shapes. Laser cutting machines employ a laser beam to cut through fabric with high precision and speed, ideal for intricate designs and delicate materials. Water jet cutting machines utilize a high-pressure stream of water mixed with abrasive particles to cut through fabric, suitable for thicker and more complex materials. Plasma cutting machines use a high-speed jet of ionized gas to cut through fabric, offering high precision and speed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Textile Technology YouTube channel.